phases. Number 1, identifying and evaluating the business opportunity. Okay, that's number 1 for entrepreneurial process phases. Number 2, mobilize the resources. Okay. Number 3, develop a business plan. Number 4, establish the business. Number 1, identify and evaluate the business opportunity. A business opportunity. Okay, I will make potato bread. That's identifying and evaluating the business opportunity. Potato bread. B, mobilize the resources. Okay, what do I need? Okay, I will need 10 laborers. Hey, 10 laborers is too expensive. Okay, I'll need 2 laborers. Okay, I will need a machine. Okay, I will need wheat. I will need what? I will need a land. I will need a farm. I will need I don't know, an apartment or office. Yeah. Let's do this. I will need the resources, human resources, a farm. I get an apartment. No, not an apartment. An office. All right. C, developing a business plan. I get developing a business plan. That's the document. I get D, establishing a business. Now, establishing the business, then you start to run the business. I can register the business with the CIPC, but you don't need to know about the CIPC. CIPC is just the body, I will say the organization, that is responsible for registering businesses in South Africa, right? So go there and register the name of your company and submit the necessary documents. Then after that, once you are registered, then you start with the business, which is the point number 4, establishing the business. Start with the business, right?